Welcome back, guys. We're trustedshopguy.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best digital calipers. When it comes to precision project making, digital calipers are like your secret weapon. They're loaded with features that are tailor-made for accuracy, and what sets them apart is their crystal-clear digital display that reads measurements with impeccable precision. We've done the legwork for you and curated a list of the absolute best digital calipers available. Let's dive right in. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth digital caliper in our list is the Clockwise Tools Electronic Digital Caliper, which trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. This digital caliper by Clockwise Tools is made with a minimalist in mind. The unit allows for 4 ways of measuring: internal, external, step, and depth. It offers IP54 protection, making it a reliable model that can withstand sprays of water or dust. The caliper is also made from fine polished stainless steel with a depth-to-meters groove, which not only makes it look good, but also ensures its smooth sliding functionality and measuring accuracy. Now, when it comes to performance, it is worth noting that this caliper has a measurement range from 0 to 6 inches with an accuracy as little as 0.001 inch. Its large 2x3/4 inch LCD also allows for effortless viewing of the measurements. The digital caliper is even equipped with an RS-232 transfer port that enables you to connect it with a DTCR02 cable, just in case you want to transfer the recorded data to your PC. For energy efficiency, our team would also like to highlight its automatic shutdown feature, which allows the unit to turn itself off after 5 to 7 minutes of non-use. As for the size, this unit measures 9.25 by 1.5 by 0.5 inches and weighs 5.28 ounces. One thing we did notice, however, is that the DTCR02 cable is sold separately, so it's best to keep that in mind just in case you're planning to transfer the results to your PC or laptop. The Trusted Shopify team recommends this for individuals on a budget who still want an ever-reliable digital caliper. The fourth digital caliper in our list is the Vinca Electronic Digital Vernier Micrometer Caliper, which TrustedShopify.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The Vinca not only looks great, but has all the functions you need in a digital caliper. With this tool, you can do external, internal, step, and depth measurements for precise projects. It even offers you inch, metric, and fraction conversions to match your preferences. Made from finely polished stainless steel, this unit also features a depthometer's groove that allows for maximum accuracy and smooth sliding. Our team would also like to mention that this tool has a 6-inch measuring range paired with a 0.5 by 1.5 inch LCD screen for maximum ease of use. You're also able to measure items in .00 15-inch increments for maximum accuracy, making it great for detailed projects. Aside from its usual functions, it also features an RS-232 data transfer port that allows you to transfer your readings to a PC via the Vinca DTCR03 cable, which is sold separately. When it comes to size, the Vinca measures 9.25 by 1.5 by 0.5 inches and weighs 5.28 ounces. Now, one limitation to this tool is that, despite its measurement markings, they're made for design purposes only, so don't use this for any kind of measurement. The Trusted Shopify team recommends this for those who prefer a flashy tool that offers a wide range of functions. The third digital caliper in our list is the NACO Electronic Digital Caliper Measuring Tool, which TrustedShopify.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. If value for money matters to you, then you're in for a treat with the NACO Electronic Digital Caliper. This unit is as versatile as any other digital caliper, as it offers inside, outside, depth, and step measurements using its 2 sets of jaws and a probe. On top of that, this tool also features a quick change button that allows you to set it to its 3 measuring modes: inch, fraction, and millimeter, making conversion effortless and convenient. Accuracy-wise, the NACO has a measurement range of 0 to 6 inches with an accuracy of .001 inches for precise readings. When it comes to reliability, it's important to note that this tool is both splash and dust resistant, allowing you to use it in virtually any environment. Looking at its build, you'll see that it's constructed using finely polished stainless steel and is complete with a knurled thumb roller and locking screw to allow for accurate positioning and smooth sliding. A sizable LCD screen also allows for quick and accurate readings at a distance. Aside from its functionality, our team would also like to mention that the unit even comes with a solid grade case to keep it safe when not in use. In terms of weight, this digital caliper measures 11.9 ounces. Just a heads up, this caliper does not have a memory function, so it's best to keep track of your measurements at all times. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for 3D printing due to its high accuracy. The second digital caliper in our list is the Starrett Electronic Slide Caliper, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. As we venture into the upper echelons of our lineup, let's turn our attention to the exceptional Starrett Electronic Slide Caliper. This tool is a true powerhouse, purpose-built to take on challenges. It's designed to fend off water, coolants, dust, dirt, and even those pesky little chips that tend to lurk around machine shops and industrial spaces. Think of it as armor for your measurements. Durability is its middle name. Crafted from ultra-tough stainless steel, it laughs in the face of wear and rust, guaranteeing a long and reliable lifespan. Next, let's delve into what really sets this caliper apart. Imagine a large, crystal-clear display that effortlessly showcases your measurements. No squinting or second-guessing is needed, just straightforward, spot-on readings that streamline your work. It's all about precision, enabling measurements of up to 6 inches with an accuracy of 0.01 millimeters. Efficiency meets simplicity in an ingenious way. If left idle for 30 minutes, the caliper automatically powers down, a nifty energy-saving feature that's as clever as it's practical. Adaptability is where it truly shines. This caliper effortlessly toggles between inches and millimeters, catering to your preference. It is equipped with an induction system that ensures rock-solid accuracy. In terms of size, it's a compact 4x10 by 1 inch device and weighs a modest 11.2 ounces. Not too heavy, not too light. Now let's address the question of price. This caliper is a bit more on the luxurious side, carrying a price tag that matches its premium features. But let's be real, you're investing in more than just a tool, you're investing in the pursuit of pinpoint precision. If you're serious about top-tier measurements, this might just be your secret weapon. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for serious workshop enthusiasts that need a long-lasting tool for various projects. The best digital caliper in our list is the Metabo Coolant-Proof Digimatic Caliper, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. When it comes to premium-grade calipers, nothing tops the Metabo Coolant-Proof Digimatic Caliper. As the name suggests, the Metabo is a coolant-proof caliper with an IP67 dust and water resistance level, allowing you to use it anywhere, even in conditions open to coolant, water, dust, or oil. For easy measurement reading, this tool also features an improved LCD display with a 22% larger screen size compared to its predecessors. It also measures in inch and metric units to match your preference. Featuring accessible function control buttons, this tool allows you to set and retain the original measuring point for easy monitoring, while its absolute scale function tracks the set origin point even after you shut it down. For energy efficiency, it has an automatic shutdown function that enables the unit to turn itself off after 30 minutes of non-use. Plus, an alarm function notifies you whenever it reaches low battery levels or when it gets counting value composition errors. Versatility-wise, it measures internal, external, depth, and step, making it a fully functional unit. In terms of dimensions, this caliper measures 10.67 by 4.65 by 1.5 inches and weighs 6 ounces. Much like the previous entry, this caliper comes at an expensive price point, but given its level of craftsmanship, nothing comes close to Metabo. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for professional builders that need the best quality tools they can get. And there you have it, folks, our best digital calipers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next digital caliper roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.